Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So I just want to do another one just after I made another gold update, purely because so much is happening. We reached obviously that wave 3 target area and we are now reversing out of it, indicating that indeed we are following the roadmap perfectly and that we are here on the way into the wave 4 target area. I might now need to adjust that a little bit, just because I think in the last video when I sketched it on the roadmap, we weren't quite sure yet where that wave 3 is going to end exactly. Now that we've got a high of the wave 3, I might just have to slightly readjust this target area, and you can see that we already reached it based on the latest wave count. Yeah, so the wave count doesn't change, but if you go a bit higher in a wave 3, also the wave 4 target area goes up a little bit higher. That's just how it is based on how the Fibonacci levels work. So what you normally want to see in a wave 4 as a retracement area is here the area between the 23.6% fib level. Now we reached that already. At the moment it's looking like we're going to go a bit lower. An ideal level for the wave 4 is always the 38.2% fib level, in this case the 1967 level, and the 50% fib level is sort of maxing it out. Yeah, a wave 4 should not go below that level. If it does, then it means that either it is not yet a bullish breakout and the primary expectation that is currently to go up from here has to be changed again to bearish, but I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this until we drop below 1829, that wave 2 low here. Or it just means that where were we? Where were we? If we go below that, yeah, or it would mean that we don't have a wave 3 and a wave 4, but in fact we've got another wave 1 and a 2. So that basically means that yes, we started the uptrend here with a 1 and a 2, and that we are in the wave 3, but within the wave 3 we've only just done the wave 1 and the wave 2. There will be a 3 and a 4 and a 5 to finish off the higher wave degree 3. So it's sort of just having a longer wave 3, yeah, and that we're just doing the sub waves of that. So that is what would be my first thought if we retrace more than the 50% fib retracement. But as long as we stay in this green area and the retracement is contained by the 50% fib level here at 1941, we can be more bullish in this wave 4 scenario. So at the moment it's all working according to plan. I will definitely keep you updated. What I want to say is, at the moment the trend is definitely to the upside, and it could really be that we have seen here the low for silver. And by the way, what I just need to mention, we've got here obviously that was covered by the fibs. We already have two setups anyway. So I already sketched it out on the roadmap anyway, that we had a 1-2 here, 1-2, then the 3, the 4, the 5 off the wave 3. That we're now coming down that we would then come down in a wave 4, then go up in a wave 5. Only that would finish off the higher level wave 1, and then we would correct all of this at some point in a larger ABC correction. And at the moment, as I said before, probability for the bullish scenario that we have already seen the low here for silver in my target area actually, yeah. We didn't get very far into it, but sort of we came into it, and that is enough for the wave 2 correction that we did here in that overall correction to the downside. So it could really be that we have now changed the trend. And again, my primary expectation is now up, but only 60% still to 40 for another low. So that's not 80-20, that's not 90-10. It's still a bit uncertain. We're still very early. And when will I increase the probability for the bullish scenario? That will be if we complete this 5-wave move to the upside. So patience is required, and then we will correct all of this in a 3-wave move. We make a higher low here, because that is the time when all of this, yeah, will be corrected once more. And that is when many people who FOMO in, yeah, because they think they missed the boat, will be faked out again. So all of this, when we have this cascade finished, this will be corrected once more in an ABC. And when that happens, and indeed we make a higher low in this ABC, then that is when I will increase the probabilities to maybe 70 to 75% for silver. So at the moment, 2 target areas reached, waiting for the next one. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. And for that, you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
you.